Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. As you know, I have recently been to the Worley Model Railway show. Actually for you it must probably a few weeks ago. But I picked up a new toy. Actually I picked up several new toys, but each episode is going to be showing you a different one of my toys. So this is what I have got. And one of these. So I'll do an unboxing and show you what I got and show you how to put a chip in this train. Okay, so this is a standard Bachmann box. Windows at the front, product information at the end, and then a nice description at the back. So like normal, I just undo the end of the box and take out the parts. So this is the first one, and it's for one of the ends of it, and it got a destination of the board, Portsmouth and Southsea. This is the other end, and again Portsmouth and Southsea. Then we've got the middle coach. This is the non-motored version. Then we have a motored version. And then we have the instruction manual. So I'll stack these up and put each loco on this piece of track so that we can see what's going on. So very well packed to start off with, and very light, but amazing details. Like normal, all-wheel pickup, and this is Coach D. You do have a Bachmann branding on it, but this is hidden right inside. So that puts him on the track. So let's put him on the track once I got the wheel in. This isn't a problem. I expect little things like this every now and again. What I'll be doing just to check everything is, before it go on the main line, I'll just quickly use my back-to-back gauge on it. But it's such a lovely little runner straight off. Let me just move this camera a tad. So that's looking really good. I can just see this running on my local line. Really nice, really smooth. And I'm a little bit worried about that wheel. But they're all very loose, so I'll just re-gauge everything when I get it up into the attic. But with the detail you get on these trains, you expect to have little things like that. So that's the first one done. Put him back in his packaging. Then we got for the other end. I do think Batman does a really nice job of packing their locos. So again, we got the number marked on the underneath. Batman just hiding in there. And again, the wheels are very loose. I think it's just part of this design. So let's put it on the track. Is it on? No, it is. And again, a really nice runner. There's absolutely no friction on it whatsoever. One thing to note is underneath for this bit here, I'm not quite sure which loco it's on, but you have a switch to control for lights. Let me just find what I did with my instruction sheet. There's my instruction sheet, and it's the manual on-off switch, which is covered by that there. You just lift it up and then it gives you easy access. Also, you've got all these additional parts you can add to it. Only add the wire loom if it's going to be a stationary loco, but as you know, I like to play with my trains. But you've got some really good instructions. I think Batman have taken a large step forward with their instructions, and I hope that this isn't something they change in the near future. So I'll put him back in the case and get the next wagon out. Actually, it's not a wagon, it's a coach. So put that in there. So this is a centre coach. So again, take him out. This is the first class coach. Not as many details underneath, but the real one doesn't have anything under these coaches. So stick him on the track. A real nice runner. And you've got B on there, and you've got Batman hidden just down there. So B there, Batman hidden just there. So that's really nice. So then we got the last coach. And this one is where for all the bits are. So if I take that out, you've got 2 bags of bits. You've got the extra details, and then for connection bars, which I have given you a spare one, which is very good of them. So you actually got details inside, which, if you remember some of the previous Batman trains, the complete coaches have been blacked out, but this is a very nice detail. This is coach C, and I'll just go and put it on the track. So that's actually quite nice again. So what I'll do in a second is show you how to install the chip in here. So this is my sound chip, and I've just tested it. Batman have really outdone themselves on making it easy to chip this train. all I have to do is to take this little compartment off. So you just go and get your screwdriver even. Take that off. In there you have a space for your speaker. And the speaker's actually a bit too big. But you take that out and you place your chip in there. So the next time you'll see this logo will be on my layout.
Welcome aboard this Southwest train service to Alton. Please familiarise yourself with the safety notices adjacent to the doors. Welcome aboard this Southwest train service to Alton.
So this is my new Batman class 450 is a very nice runner. I did need to make a little alteration to the front of the loco. I have had to remove the coupling because that was getting stuck on some of my curbs. But since I've done that, I have had it running without any issues. I really enjoy the sound I've put in it, and it's a gorgeous little train. I say little, it's actually quite a big train. But it's a really nice loco to have, and I really enjoy running it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment. Make sure to watch next week's video and see what I get up to. Thank you for your time, Richard.